Okay, here we have slope 301, 130. If we're given a table, find the slope, also known as the rate of change. So we're given a table like this, x and a y, and there is a slope-intercept form. Recall that in an equation of a line, m is the signal for slope. So this slope of a line here, to find slope, this equation is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So let me explain what that means. When I look at a table, this is y1, y2. So I'm talking about y2 minus y1. So in this case, it would be 10 minus 8, 10 minus 8. In this, if this is y1, this is x1. If this is y2, then this is x2. I could have used this is y2 and this is x2 as long as I use the same pair to set up my equation here. So 10 minus 8, 3 minus 2. So 10 minus 8 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. So my slope is 2 over 1 or positive 2. It tells me the line is going to go upward. Okay? So that's all I have to do there is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I'm going to do the same thing here. Notice y2 is 14, y1 is 19. 14 minus 19. So when I do all the math there, I end up with negative 5 for that. You have to be careful of signs. They are important here. Negative 3 minus, I'm subtracting, minus, what's the value here? Minus 4. So what happens here is we end up with negative 3 minus a minus 4. And if you recall, that's really addition. Negative 3 plus positive 4, that becomes a positive 1. So negative 5 over 1 is negative 5. So my m is negative 5. Well, that line's going to be negative. Okay? So when I look at it fresh like this, I make sure the x and y's are different. So all different, all different. So y2, negative 4, minus y1, negative 5, x2, 1 minus 0. So negative 4 minus a minus, that becomes a plus, which is positive 1, over 1. So my slope is 1. M is equal to 1. Okay? So that is 301, 130. It's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And all you're looking for is that change in the line. That's your slope.